This is Brian Ghilliotti. I'm at Elephant Rock State Park, Missouri. So there was quarrying that went on around here in the 19th century, and what you see right now is a legacy of the quarrying. Those are stones that are cut in relatively straight-sided fashion and piled on top of each other. These were recent. There's not much sign of weathering as there is with the other rocks. I made it to the top and I kept on going, and for complex reasons I was forced to make my way back down the ridge. But I'm going to take this asphalt path here and keep going, make my way back to the top. It was pretty hot, so I had to take a rest. But you see right there, you see those marks in the stone right there. Right there, that's evidence of quarrying. It's a good thing that they stopped this and kept this, what I think is an ancient lithic calendar system from getting destroyed. Well, I'm gonna keep going, make my way back to the top.